How to set up automated review requests using the Zapify.io reputation management tool. So go to reputation here, reputation, and then go to settings. Then after that, we connect Google Business Profile. So click the integrate now. So here, since my Google Calendar is already connected, so here is the connected business profile. So after that, we create a workflow that triggers after a job is completed and sends an SMS or email asking for a review. Also, after that happens, it will include your Google review link inside the message to make it easy for clients to leave a feedback.